We got that Camero done. Stay tuned. You'll see it. Welcome to another episode of FranknCarrie's Homestead. Back to doing models. We got that Camero done and pictures, and then we'll move on to the next model. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Leave your comments, what you thought. Next model build, right here. It's made by Revell. It's a level 4 instead of a level 2 or a level 3. Recommended for ages 12 and above. It's called the Big Country Pickup 78 GMC. Let's get it open and let's see what's inside. Okay, in the box, 4 tires. Like that. You can see that. You got your cab. Modeled in white. Your bed, operating tailgate, your axles, motor fan, radiator hose, and inside where your disc brakes are. Frame, dashboard, motor, everything like that. Even comes with a little gun rack with a couple rifles in it. A roll bar, your exhaust, your shocks, motor, dashboard, radiator, even has a gas can. And you got another one, has your seats, sway bars, more suspension, spare tire, back of your cab and your hood. You got your glass, back window, sunroof, tail lights, marker lights, headlights, and of course your windshield. Chrome pieces, grill, rims, steering wheel, shifter, mud flaps, bumpers, bed rails, some suspension, mirrors, and your valve covers, fog lights, spotlights, CB antenna, and your rear view mirror. So that's going to be the next build. And of course, you got your decals. This particular model, I'm not using the decals. May use a few. You just got like your gauges, license plates, markers, some marker lights, some window decals, and that I will use some of those. So that's what's in the box. So now I got to start thinking outside that box how I want this to look. as I go through this, I'm going to show you some techniques. I'm going to show some other stuff. I think you'll like how this one's going to turn out. Like I said, I'm always thinking outside the box of what way I want to go. So right now, I can't really tell you. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Most important, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them.